Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Glossy. By day I'm a makeup artist. I teach you how to do your makeup here on YouTube and also TikTok and also Insta. We're everywhere. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you a full glam that actually goes with everything and a full glam that you can actually go outside. Okay, we all know how that is. A full glam that you can actually go outside in. So grab your makeup purses and let's go. Okay. Okay, first things first, skin prep. Skin prep is everything. This will have your makeup sit smooth and last longer. So make sure you don't skip any step. In this video, I use two different types of moisturizers because these are the moisturizers that actually works for my skin. The Cetaphil and the Sladen moisturizer. They work wonders for my skin and they just make my makeup sit pretty all day long. Now my brows. So I always make sure I go in with this brow gel to help me brush up and lock my eyebrows in place. If you've never tried this, I would advise you to give it a try. This would actually help you do your eyebrows more neater and nicer, and this would take off all the minutes or the hours you spend doing your eyebrows. So this is me just trying to cap it to the shape that I want. Okay, you can carve it into a different type of shape, but this is the shape that I'll be going for in this video. I'm using this brow gel from Becca Cosmetics. You guys can check it out on my TikTok shop. Now, guys, this foundation got sent to me by one of my friends, but I feel like it's a little bit lighter than me, but trust the process, guys. I will make it work. So this foundation is from Laura Mercier. Like, I really love that brand, and I was so excited when my friend got me this, but this is a little bit too light for me, but let's make it work. Okay, so this is me spreading it out, blending it out. Now, if you are a skin tint girly, feel free to use a skin tint, but I would advise you, if you're going for a full face glam, just make sure you use the full coverage. And this is me patting it down with some beauty blender just to make sure I get it even out.
going in with my Fine Cosmetics concealer to help me brighten my under eye. I really love this concealer, but guys, if you're gonna use the same concealer I'm using, I need to warn you that this concealer is not beginners friendly, okay? Because it dries up almost immediately. So just watch me blend, and guys, make sure you pay attention to where I'm placing them, because this will give you the facelift you need. So just sit back and watch this. Now I'm going in with this blush from Made by Michelle palette. I actually have a different idea for my blush today, but I'm going to be using this peach shade, and then I'll be using a red blush later on. So just stick with me and watch how they all blend together. For the bright under eye, I love using this because this blends out so nicely and also gives me the first look that I want. And it also helps you correct all the blending you've been doing. You can actually go in with your beauty blender and blend this well. Now I'm going in with the blush. Now this is the Red Cheeks from BP Cosmetics. Now guys, this blush very pigmented. You have to be very careful, but it turns out to be very pretty. So all you have to do is just use a little bit and also go in with your beauty blender. Now setting, guys, I love to put on some powder first before I actually set my face, so I don't have my setting powder stick to my face because of all the cream we've been using. So you just have to be very careful. I'm going to do my eyebrows of Glam, but I'll be showing you everything I use for my eyebrows. Here's the pomade from Zoo Cosmetics, and also, oh my god, check out those eyebrows, so beautiful. But guys, if you want any of these products, you can actually find them on my TikTok. Now to the eyeshadow. Just watch me blend out this eyeshadow, so beautiful. So for my lip, I'm going to be lining my lip with these very beautiful lip liners. Guys, you can also find that on my TikTok shop. And I'm just going to line this and also use my NYX Cosmetics lipstick and also my Cuff Case Cupid case. And I'll catch you guys at the end of the lip. Now we lock everything in, guys. Drench it, okay? Drench that face with this liquid lock from Made by Michelle, and also fan it out, guys. You can check out that glow. Oh my god, this setting spray gives you that glow. And here is the final look, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also I have more videos on my channel, so feel free to check them out. And thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.